chieftain.
Know what I'm talking about?
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today is a video on fitting a stud conversion kit to the E92 M3, and we're also going to fix the fitment up. So we're going to lower the front down a bit more, add 5mm spacers all round. So with the stud conversion kit you can put spacers, wheels without worrying about how long the lug nut is, and it's a lot easier to put your wheel on and off the car too. So, and it looks cool, so we're going to crack on with that now and let's get to it.
I've been too obsessed with the tangible, so I sought the wisdom of a wise man or two. They asked, do you ask yourself what type of man are you? You ever been afraid to abandon you? No matter how misplaced all that anger and those bad habits be. Said at least I know that man in that sad mask is me. I replied that I don't make past more than past has to be. Realized I too was wise, so I dashed, had to flee like. They can't tell me what being me like. They could tell I seen strife, but not how I see life. These mics, these dice, I gotta roll to reach heights. They saying I don't listen to them, but I hear me twice. I couldn't tell you what it be like to feel a breeze of truth and be free like. I'm drifting through the wind. No current is deterring, I'm impervious to sin. I'm worried what the hurry do to curious intent. The fast rise has demised the most furious of men. So far I scurry to a fate with blurriest of lens. I ask the questions that's tougher than curry to defend. Like is this the beginning or the end? Like is this the beginning or the end? Yeah, my friend. I can feel it in my soul right now. Feel it getting old right now. I can feel the skin starting to get loose on my bones right now. Finally letting go right now. I ain't never been so happy and so scared. I just hope that I'm prepared on this road. Hope my vision don't impair. I just wanna be the one. I just wanna be the one. I can feel it in my soul right now. Fuck what you've been told, I now know the truth about the muscle and the hustle. I don't know lies now, I just hush them till they go quiet now. I made it from a dream to a plan with my team. I'd be damned if they try to pull the ring from my hand. I just wanna be the one. I just wanna be the one. So one day, I just wanna ride through the city and tell all of my demons when I die they can get me. Cause I ain't gon' be beat while I'm alive, do you feel me? Said they won't take my heart while I'm alive, do you hear me? I said no, 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 no. I done came a long way and I won't go, go, go. I done came up in the city where we don't know fall till my soul go cold. I'ma tell them that they just don't know. I'ma tell them that they just don't know. Came a long way just to beat me, or to see a world that just wouldn't see me. Try to cut me off if the legs defeat me. Try to return all my orphans, reseat me. Saw the colors that I saw and try to bleach me. Back when I was drinking every night down in DC. Try to impeach me. None of these monikers could reach me. Fuck school, my moniker if need be. I'm headed home to NY to be free. Fuck the world and the rules and the PD. Around the time they do RG3's knee. Started buying hard copies of CDs again. Believed again. Emerged from all the depression and I breathed again. I learned to accept the knowledge that you need to live, and to never let externals impede within. And that if we don't fight with passion, then greed will win. Cause they don't want you to know what it means to give. And I know I just wanna ride through the city and tell all of my demons when I die they can get me. Cause I ain't gon' be beat while I'm alive, do you feel me? Said they won't take my heart while I'm alive, do you hear me? I said no, no, no. No, 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 I done came a long way and I won't go, go, go. I done came up in the city where we don't know fold till my soul go cold. I'ma tell them that they just don't know. I'ma tell them that they just don't know. They'll never take me alive. They'll never take me alive.
It's the next day now. I've had a proper busy day at work, so I've only just started on this a couple of hours ago. I had to do some fine tuning on the adjusters on the coilovers, as one side was like really low and the other side was quite high. That's this side. Loads better. So let's pull this car out of the garage for once. So there you go, that is the fitment fully fixed, sorted out. The car is definitely low enough because I just scraped up a few stones off my drive. So yeah, I'm proper happy with how it looks now. It's sat really even, front and back, and it looks seriously race spec now. So I've got a couple more mods coming up, got a lot of ideas in mind, so keep your eyes peeled, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.
Yeah, I'm here to stay. I don't fuck around, boy, I mean what I say. You done playing nice, but I'm tired of playing. Take it how you want it, but I'm sick of the waiting. Man, I'm done with y'all faking, I'm just over this shit. I've been too kind like a copy and print.